Nach der erfolgreichen Einführung
Following the successful launch of the Quadrant 5200 and Quadrant 4200, CLAAS is now extending its range of large-scale balers with the Quadrant 5300, with a bale size of 1.20 m and 90 centimeters. Along with the new look design, the main development objectives for this machine were greater throughput, higher power, higher bale density and more user-friendly operation. The pickup of the Quadrant 5300 has a working width of 2.53 m as standard and can be fitted with the tried and tested power feeding system. The PFS auger speeds up the crop flow and actively conveys the material to the rotor. This has the effect of boosting the throughput and power of the machine. On request, the pickup can also be fitted with a hydraulic drive system, which combines the operation of the PFS auger, top crop guard and pickup. This gives the operator the choice between maximized machine power and forage quality. 3 different rotors are available for the Quadrant 5300. The Roto Feed, Roto Cut with 25 knives or the well-proven Fine Cut system with 51 knives. In the Roto Cut and Fine Cut rotors, the chopping speed has been boosted by 13% to 180 rotations per minute in the Quadrant 5300. The hydraulically controlled cutting chamber is easily and conveniently operated either from the cab or directly on the machine. The Quadrant 5300 has an interactive protection system in the drive between the pickup, feed brake and rotor, preventing damage and making the machine easier to restart. For even more power and productivity, the rotor clutch protection has been set 14% higher and the feed rake clutch protection 18% higher. The Quadrant 5300 is equipped with a hydraulically operated pre-chamber for pre-compression of the crop material. Selecting the correct pre-chamber setting results in a uniform bale shape and very high bale density under all harvest conditions. 46 piston strokes per minute, 6 rather than 5 rams on the pressure frame and a 12% increase in the length of the baling chamber all add up to significant gains in bale density and bale shape. The Quadrant is equipped with 6 new CLAAS single knotters. The new knotter system continues to operate reliably even at high bale densities with no twine residue left behind. The APC automatic pressure control system makes it easy for the driver to get the best out of the machine at all times, with uniform bale weights, efficient use of the machine's power capacity and user-friendly operation. The Quadrant 5300 offers higher throughput, maximum bale density and ease of operation, along with reliable tying, making it the ideal machine for large farming operations and contractors.